welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa ignored us when the whole country was inviting us for concerts. Not a single Goan ever invited us for concert in Goa. Lata Mangeshkar narrates her feelings about Goa in an exclusive interview to Viva Goa. Alina Saldana's ministerial birth receives mixed response. Some say Alina's induction leads to violation of code of conduct, while others feel the opposite. CEO sends notice to government for scrapping Marina project. Government advised not to take decisions till Kottali by-election is over. Goa police arrests Ghanaian national with 210 grams of cocaine in Saligaon on Friday. Seize cocaine worth 21 lakh rupees. Issue an advisory to public to be aware of imposters posing as police. And champions Dempo Sports Club complete formalities with a 3-0 final round victory over Prayag United in Kolkata. Dempo lay hands on record 5th I-League trophy. Now the news in detail. Goa ignored us when the whole country was inviting us for concerts. Not a single Goan ever invited us for concert in Goa. Lata Mangeshkar expressed this grief during an exclusive interview. She spoke about sweet bitter feelings about Goa and Goans. Here is the first part of the 3-part interview with Lata Mangeshkar.
दीदी आपली मुळं गोव्यात आहेत आणि त्याबद्दल आम्हा सगळ्या गोमंतकीयांना खूप अभिमान आहे. पण गोव्यात अजूनपर्यंत आपला एखादा जाहीर कार्यक्रम झाला नाही आणि ही हुरूर आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या मनात आहे.
पण मी तुम्हाला खरं सांगू का, गोवेकरांनी आमच्याकडे कधी लक्ष दिलं नाही. हे आता सुरू झालंय सगळं. म्हणजे आम्ही आमची नावं झाली किंवा काय जे असेल ते त्यानंतर गोवेकरांनी आमच्याकडे जरा जास्त लक्ष घातलंय. आणि आतापर्यंत गोव्याहून मला कधीही कोणीही विचारलं नाही की तुम्ही गोव्याला कार्यक्रम करणार का. कधीही नाही. म्हणजे आता तर मी कार्यक्रम करतच नाही, पण ज्या वेळेला मी करत होते तेव्हा गोवा एक अशी जागा होती जिथून मला कधीही विचारलं गेलं नाही की तुम्ही कार्यक्रम करा. आणि आम्ही मंगेश आज इथं घरी पूजा केली तरी मंगेश आमच्या जवळच आहे. मंगेशीच्या देवळात जाऊनच मंगेश आम्हाला भेटणार आहे असं नाहीये. आम्ही रोज पूजा करतो. आमच्या घरी मंगेश आहे.
You can read in detail on Lata Mangeshkar's exclusive interview on Viva Goa. The second part of this interview will be telecast by Prudent on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The controversy over Alina Saldana's ministerial berth in the cabinet has received mixed response. Prudent got comments from legal experts across Goa. Some were of the opinion that Alina's induction leads to a violation of code of conduct, whereas some feel just the opposite. They say it is solely the chief minister's prerogative to appoint a minister.
Constitutional expert advocate Amrut Kansar informed that a simpliciter who is not a minister, if appointed as a minister, amounts to holding of a public office, and none can be appointed at office of profit during code of conduct.
Under that code of conduct, no citizen can be appointed during the code of conduct period. No citizen can be appointed in public office, that is the government offices and public offices. Now here is a citizen who is being appointed as a minister, so that this public office also comes as regards the appointment, because he is appointed and the minister will be drawing salary. So a simpliciter appointed as a minister, that amounts to holding public office.
However, Cleophas Coutinho said that it is CM's prerogative to appoint a minister and election commission has no right to stop him.
Though induction of Alina Saldana into the cabinet shall give her an edge over other candidates, to my mind, the election commission does not have the authority and power to direct the government not to induct her. The code of conduct does not even have a statutory force. And to say that a code can stop the chief minister from inducting a minister into the cabinet is certainly too much. But then we will find for a long time now, somehow the code has been respected.
Advocate Narendra Savikar also feels that Alina's induction as a minister in the cabinet does not violate code of conduct. Alina's election plan will be known only after 9th. If she contests the by-poll as a minister, then she will have to abide by the code of conduct. Savikar further mentioned that the election commission is going overboard by taking such decisions.
जो कोणी कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून फॉर्म फायल करता, नॉमिनेशन फायल करता, त्याच्या उपरांत कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आसत आणि बाकीचे इलेक्शन कमिशनाचे जे कितें रेग्युलेशन्स आसत ते ताका लागू जातले. अलिना मॅडम ही कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर म्हणून तिका इंडक्ट करप काय ना करप हो चीफ मिनिस्टरचो प्रेरोगेटिव्ह. त्यामुळे आताच्याच परिस्थितीन इलेक्शन कमिशनान अशें म्हणप म्हाका दिसता एका अर्थान इलेक्शन कमिशन हे प्रिएम्प्ट करपाक सोदता काय कितें, आनी जें म्हाका दिसता इलेक्शन कमिशन इज गोईंग बियॉन्ड इट्स ज्युरिस्डिक्शन, जे चुकीचें आसा.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar would induct Alina Saldana in the cabinet by Tuesday. She is a probable candidate of the BJP for the by-poll in Kuttari constituency. Our reporters Laukik Shilkar, Samir Bhatt, Devendra Gaonkar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Chief Electoral Officer has sent a notice to the government for scrapping Marina project when the code of conduct is in force. It has advised the government not to take such decisions till Kortali by-election is over. Advocate Iris Rodriguez had filed a complaint with the Election Commission that scrapping of Marina project is violation of code of conduct in view of Kortali by-poll.
The Marina project, which was coming up in Sankwal area, has been scrapped by the government. Chief Election Officer has advised the government to postpone the decision on the project. This notice was sent to the government on Saturday. EC also mentioned that in view of the by-poll in Kuttari constituency, government cannot take any such decision. Advocate Iris Rodriguez had complained to the EC on Friday in this regard.
Chief Minister of Goa has been violating the model code of conduct. The Chief Minister of Goa has announced after the last cabinet meeting that the government has taken a decision to stop the Marina project, which is also located in the Kortali constituency. The model code of conduct is very clear. Any decisions cannot be taken by the government and cannot be announced by the government. So in view of this, the model code of conduct has to be strictly observed, especially by the government, to ensure that there is no violation.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, Jason Suarez with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.